Good day, Griga. Good day, good day, good day. Tomorrow, come on out. Tomorrow, come on out today. Dangriga Town Council, NGC executive will be up here tomorrow. Come ask them questions, come listen to what they have to say tomorrow. This is a first of its kind. So come on out to the Dangriga Town Council tomorrow. Another holiday, so it'll be 2 p.m. So we're going to Hopkins first in the morning for a meeting at 10. After that, we'll come right over here so that Dangriga Town Council. So all are invited tomorrow, right here, right? We're at Town Council tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. The executive, the new executive 2025 will be here tomorrow inside or upstairs at Dangriga Town Council building. So please don't miss it. We know we have questions to ask and they have answers to give. So come on out right here. Tomorrow, we're ready. So everybody, we hope you're ready for this meeting tomorrow. Big meeting tomorrow. Ask all the questions we want and we want. All right? We want everybody to be here. Everybody to be here upstairs. Right? Everything is set in the charge of the community later on. So the community is a town hall meeting for everybody. So this is a public service announcement. So we don't want to hear people say that they never hear it or they never know about it. Please share the live, ladies and gentlemen. Please share it. So tomorrow inside the Dangriga Town Council upstairs, NGC, the new executive, will be here charting a new way forward for the people of Belize. So we're starting from Griga tomorrow. So share this live. Please don't say, oh, no, get it. Share it, share it, share it, share it, share it to everybody we know. So this is going to be an informative meeting. You can see the new executive. They're pumped, they're hyped up, and ready to serve the people of Belize. So these are the members. Ask the question, all the question when they talk about money, when they talk about land, when they talk about whatever they want to talk about, come on out. They will answer all the questions for tomorrow. Okay, so I urge each and every one of you out there. We're going to have the meeting on the live too. So if you have any questions, please ask your questions tomorrow. All right? Don't be shy. We're going to be ready for anything. We're moving forward. We're moving forward in a new direction of transparency, responsibility, and accountability. And that's what we're talking about. All right? So come on out tomorrow at 2 p.m. NGC, new executive, will be out here. All right? Culture Capital, we start right there. It comes alive tomorrow. We are upstairs of the Dangriga Town Council. So it comes alive tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. NGC executive meeting is open to the public. It's open to the public. This has never happened before. Alright? So we're moving in a different direction for a development of our town, our city, Riga City. So please come on out, okay?